These are smart solar outdoor lights. They've got 100 LED, little IP65 waterproof little light bulbs in there. So they are great for like security. I know for us, the neighborhood that we live in is really safe, but on, the Nextdoor app, where everyone kind of writes things, about what's going on in your neighborhood. We've heard about a lot of break-ins recently, so we wanted to get some of these so that we could pop these on so that they can be on the side of our house, on the side of our garage, on the back of our house for the backyard, because it's all really dark back there because there's no street lights because we back up to woods. So I really feel like this is a great thing, especially for security on the outside of your house. And again, the best part is that they are solar powered, which is really awesome. So you do get a 2-pack of these. With the other ones, you kind of had a couple different buying options. This is just the 2-pack, so you can't buy like a 4-pack or a 6-pack. If you want more, then you just have to buy another pack, which does include 2. These are ultra bright, so again, they are solar powered and they are super, super bright. So they are really going to be great for security for a lot of different reasons. This is going to be great to light up your garden, patio, yard, driveway, pathway, stairs, anything you need to light up. This is definitely going to do the trick. So they are motion detected, and that is again why I wanted to get these for security reasons. You can kind of see that little motion thing right there. So I love that for security because again, with more recent break-ins in our neighborhood, I want to make sure that we are covered. People are breaking into houses, people are breaking into cars, into sheds, all that kind of stuff. So I definitely want to be covered, and I feel like with lights like these that will pop on, that's definitely a deterrent, hopefully at least. So definitely check these out. Okay, so they are waterproof, they're easy to install. Basically, you've just got these little things right here, so very, very, very easy to use. So I absolutely love these, highly recommend them. They really will make a huge difference, especially security-wise in your home. So definitely check them out.